Guys, if you want to remove admin access of your Facebook page, then follow the steps. You should just go on the professional dashboard and drag down. Here you will see page access. You have to click this. Here you can see people with Facebook access. There are two only. If I want to remove Mayar Tahir or Irfan Ahmed, then I have to click on the three dots. When I click on three dots, then you can see view access and remove from page. I have to click on remove from page. When I have click on remove to page, then you will see that they are asking to me you will no longer have access to the page. Just click password. I'm clicking password. So here you can see the page admin access has been removed. So through these information you can remove your admin access from the page. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you so much.